welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you my go-to vanilla cake recipe. So as you can see, I'm already suited up. I've got all my ingredients laid out. So let's get into it. I'm back! Before we even get started, let's check out these cute socks I have on today. How cute are these? So fun fact about me, I am obsessed with really cute socks. So my mother actually purchased these socks for me for my birthday that just passed in April, and I'm wearing them today. So let me just start by going over the ingredients with you. And don't worry, I'm gonna post the recipe, the full recipe down below under the video, so no worries, but I am gonna go over the ingredients with you before we get started. So no particular order, but you're gonna need 3 cups of whole milk. Whole milk is important, not 2%, not 1%, whole milk, okay? Don't mess up your cake and then come say that I told you to get some 2% milk, because I didn't. 2 different types of flour. One being all-purpose flour and the other being cake flour. It specifically says on the box cake flour. That's important, okay? And you're gonna need 2.5 cups of each type of flour. So you'll need 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour and 2.5 cups of cake flour, okay? You're also gonna need vanilla extract, of course, because we're making a vanilla cake. I use Great Value. Now let me say this, or y'all come for me, okay? I grew up with a mother always using McCormick. Matter of fact, I think I have some in my cabinet now. Yeah, so I grew up with a mother using McCormick, okay? I understand that McCormick is a very well-known brand, and no shade. I think it's a really good vanilla extract. However, I'm the type of person, I'll give anything a try, okay? So if anyone asks me, why do you use Great Value and not McCormick? All I know is McCormick. I tried it, I didn't see anything wrong with it, so I kept using it. No shade, but that's just me. I will say that I do think that McCormick extract is stronger, so I do think that you may be able to use less of McCormick than you would have to use Great Value to get that strong vanilla taste, but it works for me, so whatever. And we're gonna be using 2 capfuls of the vanilla extract. We're gonna need 6 eggs and 3 sticks of butter. When I say butter, I mean butter, okay? I use Land O'Lakes. Use whatever preference you want to, but make sure it's butter, not margarine. I know we grew up putting margarine in our cakes. I'm telling you, it makes a difference. You have to use butter if you want it to turn out the way my cakes turn out. And then last but definitely not least, sugar. 3 cups of sugar, and I've already put it inside of my cake bowl. So add our butter in the bowl along with the sugar. Just dump it in there. Doesn't matter which one goes first. Just as long as you're getting the butter and the sugar in the same bowl at the same time. So the first thing is making sure your butter is taken out ahead of time and is room temperature. The second thing is preheat your oven first. Okay, so while your oven is being preheated at 350, I have to put my oven on 325 actually, because my oven runs hot. So based off of the way your oven is set up, it's either 350 or 325, but you be the judge of that. Usually while my butter and sugar is mixing, I'll go ahead and I'll start prepping my pan. I'll turn on this mixer. It's almost like it's forming dough. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and turn it off. Scrape off my paddle. Got to tell you, we're using a paddle attachment, just in case you didn't know. And also, this recipe, I'm making it in a stand-up mixer because I'm trying to be fancy or whatever. But you can also go old school and use the same techniques, but you can use a traditional glass bowl or whatever bowl you have and use a hand mixer too. So you'll still go ahead and start with your butter. Y'all didn't see that. Turn this back on. So this is what we're looking for. So you see the consistency, how it's smooth? That's what you're looking for right there. It should be smooth. Then we're gonna go ahead and get ready to add in our eggs. You want to add in 1 egg at a time. So you can go ahead and turn it up. Hey, turn it down for what? That's not what we're doing? Okay. Turn it down for what? So you're gonna add 1 egg at a time. You're gonna, what you're wanting is for each egg to mix in before you add in another one. So you definitely want to make sure you're scraping down, and you're going to see me scraping down the sides of my bowl throughout this entire process. I'm going to go ahead and add another egg, 1 at a time. We ain't got nowhere to be. We're not in no rush. We got time. Also, in case y'all wondering why I got this bonnet on my head, I intentionally wear my bonnet when I am baking to prevent hair from getting in the cake. It'll come off by the end of this video, it'll come off. But yeah, I wear my bonnet to prevent hair from getting in my cake. I'm not just being lazy and didn't feel like doing my hair. It's done. I just gotta take it off when I'm done. Alright. Now, because I haven't upgraded and gotten the KitchenAid mixer yet, I have to kind of lift my bowl up to make sure it's hitting the bottom, because my mixer, as much as I love it, it does not hit the bottom like I need it to. So I'll just pick it up a little bit, put it back down and lock it in. Turn it down a little bit so I can stop screaming. Now I'm going to go ahead and add 2 capfuls of vanilla extract. Don't come for my great value. Keep your comments to yourself, mama. What we're going to do is we are going to alternate between the flour and the milk. So we're going to add our 1 cup of flour. Start off slow so you don't get that poof of flour in your face. And you want to make sure it's mixing in. Scrape off your sides with the back of your spoon. Okay, so you just gonna take my daggone spoon, huh? Move out the way. I be fussing with my mixer sometimes, y'all. Ain't crazy, I promise. Well, maybe a little bit. Go ahead and add a little bit of milk. No exact measurement, just add a little bit. What you're looking for is you'll see it getting dry when you add the flour. So you're just adding enough milk to where it's not dry anymore. I don't really know how to explain that any better, but just you kind of have to eyeball it. You see how it folds? That's what we're looking for. Oh, I forgot to tell you something. There is actually a secret ingredient that I did not share with you. And I got the plug. And let me tell you, it works wonders. It completely changed the texture of my cake, and it added to the flavor too. So don't get me wrong, your cake will still turn out really good. My cakes were really good, but I'm gonna tell you right now, adding that secret ingredient will set it off. It's gonna change your whole cake life, for real, for real. Get me 100 likes, and I'll tell you what my secret ingredient is. I already prepped my cupcake pan, which I said I'm doing a 6-inch cake and 2 dozen cupcakes with this recipe, and we might have some left over, we'll see. So I'm gonna go ahead and fill these up and fill up my cake pan. Alright guys, so I went ahead and filled up my other pan of cupcakes. I did also go ahead and put my cakes in the oven. Once those cakes come out in about 30-35 minutes, probably 35 minutes, I'll go ahead and put the cupcakes in there, get those baked up, and I'm going to show you guys how it all turns out. So these are my 6-inch round cakes. They baked up really well. As you can see, if it bakes up a little bit, like I've got a little crust around here, it's okay because we're going to level the cakes out anyway, which I'll show you guys that technique in another video. Cupcakes turned out really good. I have another pan up here that's cooling down as well. We're excited for you guys to try this recipe. Don't forget, if this video hits 100 likes, I will post my secret ingredient for my cakes. And this isn't just for the vanilla cake, this is for all of my cakes, but I'm not going to release it unless I get 100 likes on this video. I will be posting the full recipe below in the description, so no worries, just in case I forgot a step. It'll be in the recipe below. For my kids, please, please, please have adult supervision if you're gonna try this recipe, okay? I need your mama, your auntie, somebody to be sitting in the next room beside you when you try this, okay? For my women, for my grown folks, go off, you got this. Anybody can do it, I promise you, it's not rocket science. Even if you've never baked before, you can do it. I have faith in you, so believe in yourself. Make sure you like this video, comment down below, and let me know if you tried the recipe. Please tell me how it turned out. Also, follow me on TikTok. I have a TikTok, Design Desserts. Follow me on TikTok so you can see how I transform these cakes in cupcakes and see what I do with it. I'm really excited. Okay guys, I'll see you next time. Bye.